Yo, how's it going, everyone? Welcome. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Damien, good to see you all, guys. Yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, we'll start soon. I've already taken a decent win today, so we'll see if we can carry on this continued win streak. Let's see if we can get a little win streak going now again. But yeah, how's everyone going, guys? Good to see you. Let's see who's here. James, how's it going? Is that Kay? Welcome. Damien, welcome. Guys, TikTok, YouTube, guys, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Great to see you all again. Let me just share. Let me share this for everyone. If you take a win, are you done for the day? I'll take Daz. I'll take another trade if we see one. Natalie, how's it going? Good to see you. If I take another, if I see another trade, I'll take it. I'm only like $1,000 up, and I've only taken one trade, so $1,000. I can take another $1,000. Dre, my guy, good to see you, bro. Ralph, how's it going? Abdul, good to see you. Energy, Graham, my friend, how's it going? Yeah, let me just share these thingy really quickly. Yeah, I'm always up for another trade. I'm gonna let's see what the rest of the day brings, but we'll see. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you too, man. Good to see you too. Let's see what this closure for me personally right now on Nasdaq. I'm watching this range. I took a win on Nasdaq this morning. But I'd like to take another trade. I took some sells with the guys in the mentorship here. We took some sells, so I've already taken a win here. This was a $1,000 win. So we took an $1,000 win here. Maybe we can take another sell into these laws. I'll probably only risk $400-500, half of my profit, but we'll see. But yeah, it was good to take them wins this morning. Haha, could we take another 1,000? Yeah, let's see, man. Paul, good to see you, mate. Welcome. Yeah, good to see you, man. Yeah, I've got both of them up now, guys. I've got my trade C here. You can see the execution from this morning. Let me show you the execution. We took some sells here, and I got out here. So you can clearly see the executed trade. Like I say, we do actually take our positions here. We don't just say we take them, we do execute them. So yeah. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll start breaking down in a second. I'm just waiting for a few more people to get in, and then we can start breaking these markets down better. Positive energy, yeah, let's crush it, man. Let's crush it. Yeah, we've got some news as well. We have got some news. Anything on gold? Yeah, we'll have a look at gold now, actually. So, nah, look at gold. Gold's a little bit sideways right now. Gold's a little bit. I'd need a breakout of this. Look at how choppy gold is. Futures, yeah, futures and FX both, bro. I trade both. So we've got very big support and resistance that we're stuck in between here. I'd need a decent breakout of here for now. There's nothing telling me in this range anything at all. I'd need a break above or a break to the downside. Is there any decent targets to the downside on gold? Yeah, we've got some decent targets to the downside. If we can break down and break below this level, I'm open to some sells. But I'd need a decent closure below here. Yo, how's it going? Zulu, Juggy, welcome. Jamie, good to see you, man. Welcome, guys. Good to see you all. But yeah, I prefer Nasdaq, to be honest. I think if Nasdaq can close bearish, I might take some more sells. So this is basically just what we took here, really. It's just executing the similar concept down. I mean, if this can top wick, I'm going to take some sells on Nasdaq and try and hold a little runner down on news. What do you look after the breakout? Just for a decent entry here. Here, see. Just a decent entry. Yeah, I can't have it closing as a grab. That's not what I can have. News, yeah, we have got news. We've got news, but it's all good. I just don't trade 15 minutes before or 15 minutes after. See, I don't mind sells, but we have closed as a liquidity grab here. We have closed as a liquidity grab here. This could push down. This could push down, but it's lower rate. It's higher highly rate. It's higher risk because we've closed taking liquidity. Can you see on my sell before we didn't close taking liquidity? Here we have done. So this is a higher risk position, lower probability. Yo, Ashton, good to see you, bro. Welcome. So yeah, can you see on this entry this morning? We took a trade here. We took liquidity and closed bearish. That nice push down. Similar sort of entry that would have set up here, but I'm not taking a liquidity grab closure. This is a liquidity grab closure. I'm not taking it. I think there's better entries for sure. Yeah. Maybe if the hourly close is bearish, I can take hourly sells. I just think what could happen here is price could push down and reverse. I don't want to sort of try and get caught up in a reversal. See, can you see price is just reacting now? That would I'd be break even on this anyway. To be honest, I wouldn't even be looking to take it. I think hourly closure is much better pre-news. Let's have a look at what gold did. Yeah, gold could break out too here. Yeah, gold's got some good liquidity. Gold's got some really nice liquidity down here. So I still think, if gold closes in like 10 minutes where it is now, gold sells would be very clean. If we can get a decent top wick and that sort of momentum down, I'd really like to take gold sells. But let's see. Finally breaking out of that consolidation though, which is good. Any questions, guys? Silver reacted well. Let's have a look at silver. Yeah, that silver play. Look at that rejected, closed bearish. This was cleaner. This was a lot cleaner on silver. Rejected, closed bearish, pushed down. Yeah, that were clean. Silver's actually been moving really clean recently, right? There's been some decent trades on silver. Just like this Nasdaq trade here. New video is class, bro. Excellent explanation. Nice, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, who's watched the new YouTube video? Who's watched the new YouTube video? Who's watched it? Has everyone watched it? Mm, 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 mm. Du-du-du. Just seen it, Ashton. Nice, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, yeah, sound. Good to see you all giving it a watch. I mean, if this 15 can even reject on gold and close bullish, I don't mind buying. Not the cleanest range, but I think if we can close back above, buys could be nice. Because all we're doing is stopping out retail to push higher. Mm-mm. Check gold. Yeah, gold. This is gold, bro. Gold looks good if we can reject the level. Hi Joe, feeling good today after my one-to-one yesterday. Why I love them great videos. Yeah, appreciate it. Great video. Yeah, nice one, K. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, it's quality, bro. Great work. I appreciate it, guys. Nice one. So there's two things I'm watching here. If we can close bullish back above this range, I'll take some buys. If we close bullish rejecting this level, I'll also take some buys. I don't mind buying off this level pre-news, sort of trying to preempt this move higher on half risk. I don't mind that. Mm, 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 mm. Da, da, da. Yeah, let's see if this can. Let's see if this can continue, like close bullish. I can get an entry. Mm-mm. Yeah, there is a lot of trend line liquidity here as well. Look at that. Bang. Look at that trend line. Super strong trend line here. I think if this can close bullish, we can sort of push into all that trend line. So I really do like buying into that trend line. Because it's a lot of liquidity to go and take out. Look at all this. Bang, bang, bang. So much. You ever remove the Zoom? So yeah, because they're for the mentorship, guys. Like they're not for free. They're for the mentorship, guys. You only get them if you're in the mentorship. Yo, Sav, how's it going, man? Good to see you. What about sells? What about 30 sells? 30 sells. Yeah, I'd need to close bearish for sells. We'd need to see how the 30 and 15 close. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Yo, yeah. How's it going, guys? Good to see you all. Yo, Woody, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Da-da-da. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, guys, drop a subscribe, drop a follow if you're just tuning in. Let's see how we can close here on the 30 or the 15, and we can go from there. I mean, if we can get a decent closure here, whether it's on the 30 or the 15, we're good to go. Yo, Matt, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Yeah, good to see you all, guys. Yeah, Sulu, how's it going? Yeah, guys, if you want a cheap account, use JTC at Lucid. Yeah, good morning. How's it going? Naz is coming in. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq's not looking the best. I prefer gold, to be honest. I prefer these potential gold sells on the 30 closure into this liquidity down here, to be honest with you. That's my go-to. If we can close strong in 4 minutes, I'm going to be taking some sells on gold. I'm going to have my stops above the range if we can flip, and I'm going to be looking for a trade down like so. Something like this. Trading with that momentum. Yeah, if this 30 can close bearish, I'll take some sells. Yes, Joe. Yo, Dylan, how's it going, bro? Good to see you. Welcome, Matt. Let's see how I need the 15 not to close the grab anyway. I need a 30 closure and then I can sell down here. I mean, look at all this liquidity. Look, liquidity. Big liquidity below here, below all these laws. Are you in? No, not yet. Waiting for the top wick, and then I'm going to be looking for an entry here. I'll probably be entering on here anyway. Let me get up micro gold. 30-minute time frame entry. And yeah, I'm basically just going to be looking to sell into... Yeah, basically just going to be looking to sell into all these laws down here. All these laws pre-news. Obviously, that's orange. We hit purple. We want grey. Da-da-da-da. Let me know when you're in. No, I'm not going to tell you when I'm in, but you can see when I execute, bro. I mean, anybody can see when I execute. Yo, Dean, good to see you, man. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a little top wick here, and then I'm gonna try and sell this into all this liquidity down here. Wow, look at all this. Look at this. Look at this volume down. Yo, Steve, how's it going, man? Yeah, I wanna see a top. Yeah, look at that. I wanna see a top wick and flip down because all this is just resting liquidity. So if I can get a top wick, I might still take some sells here. Obviously, first management's quite quick, but I'll have to. I'm not risking too much pre-news. Probably like 1 micro, 2 micros. But I'm gonna try and take this down potentially. Yo, Kieran, how's it going, mate? I mean, first management, you got like 30, 40 ticks. See if this can top wick first. CPI, yeah, 12:30. This is just like post news, JK, bro. Wow. 12:30. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought it was. Why did I think it was 1:30? I thought there was one at 12:30 and then 1:30. I thought there was two sets of news today. I must have misread it. Yeah, I've got the red news here. It was an hour ago. You're right. Well, 30 minutes ago. I thought there was one at 12:30 and then one at 1:30 as well. Yeah, that's where this volume came from. That's right. Yeah. No, I'm not in this. I'm not in this. No, not just yet. I think there's better entries. I think there's better entries. Maybe if the 5 minute can confirm, I'll take some sells, but just waiting still. Yeah, look at all this liquidity though. Look at all this liquidity down here. Lows, lows. There's so much to go and take. That's what I'm going to be looking to trade into. Obviously, people always say, "Oh, you know, oversold, overbought." I'm trading reversals, but I would rather enter the market and it keep going down. You know, if I can enter the market here, 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 or even here, and it pushes even further down, why would I not? I don't care about trying to top tick and bottom tick. To me, that's just useless. Du-du-du. Yeah, yeah, we did 30 minutes ago. Might change. New York changed to daylights. Everything's well. Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, we'll see some volume in 30 minutes anyway. We will see some volume in 30 minutes. Yeah, guys on TikTok, if you're watching, make sure you're dropping a like and make sure you're following this account. This is my only TikTok account, okay? So make sure you smash the follow. Mm, 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 mm. I am done following. Yes, nice. Good stuff, man. Currently in sells on gold. Gold sells are clean. Gold sells are clean. I just don't like it because these first targets were super, super close. I didn't like the fact that trying to sell here into them first targets wasn't even a one-to-one. No entry on gold. No, there's no entry on gold for me. I'm staying patient. Staying patient. There's better entries to come. There's going to be better entries to come. Mm, 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 mm. No entry on gold. Nah, there's no entry on gold. Currently in sales on gold from 59, from 98. Oh, nice. All the way up here, bro. Clean. Mm, mm. Targeting 40s. Yeah, there's so much liquidity down here that I'd expect gold to just push down into here at some point today. It's just finding that entry, staying patient and finding it. Like, you can have a good idea where price is likely to go. But the main thing is just waiting and being patient for the actual entry in to your plan to set up. Simple as that, really. Because like when I took this trade on NQ on the 15 today, like I knew where price was likely to go, understanding liquidity, but I had to wait for a perfect setup as well, and this perfectly set up. Check silver for buys. Yeah, we'll have a look at silver now. Actually, we've got Nasdaq range for me here. So this is Nasdaq's range, and we've actually got some decent liquidity. So we've got some decent targets here on Nasdaq. Gold, maybe some buys on a re-break above. Maybe some buys on a re-break above. If we can break out. And then let's have a look at silver. Nah, I prefer gold. I prefer gold. Gold, especially if gold breaks above here, I really do like buys. Yeah, if we can break above here, I prefer buys on gold. What do you mean by top tick and bottom tick? So top tick and bottom tick is just traders who like to catch tops and bottoms. So basically what you'll tend to see is a lot of newer traders, they try to predict the top of the market for a perfect entry and a perfect trade, and they try predicting the bottom of the market, and it's just top ticking and bottom ticking, trying to catch the perfect entry. But I think it's kind of useless because what happens is they try to predict it 15 times, price just keeps trading higher. They try predicting sell, 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 sells, and they just get ruined. They get ruined like 15 times before a decent move, and then only because they have an ego and they want to call themselves a top ticker. Mm-mm. So yeah, let's see if we can get a breakout here on gold. So if I can get a break above here, I'm gonna take some buys. Stops are gonna go below, and I'm just gonna look to trade into these highs. Simple little trade here. Simple little trade. I think it'll be quite a quick one as well if we can break out. So we've only got like 5 minutes to wait, and then I can look for some buys here. Yo, Kenzie, good to see you, man. Yeah, I am. I am Tiernan. I am for now. Yo, good Joe. Yeah, nice one. Good to see you, Kenzie, mate. I reckon it'll get near 87s and drop. What makes you think that? I mean, I will take a buy above the range. I will take a buy above the range on the breakout. If it shows signs of reversal on the way up, I'll obviously get out, and I'm happy for sells as well. Yo, MK, how's it going, bro? Good to see you, mate. Just got to see how the 30 and 15 clause here on gold for potential trades. I mean, Nasdaq again. Nasdaq's just in this range for now. So I mean, if Nas can break out even, I'm happy to take that. John, any trades? Nah, not. I've taken one trade in London session here, decent win, but anything in US just yet? No, nothing. Nothing just yet, mate. Good to see you. Good to see you too, man. Good to see you too. I'd like a breakout buy on gold and then buy into these highs here. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind that. How's everyone's day been, guys? Profit, loss, break even. How's everyone's day been so far? Break even, fair enough. Worth looking at half risk buys on silver. John, nah. To be honest with you, Damien, I'm not really interested in silver. Um, it's not something I'm really trading. I've not got enough info on it. Like, I don't just trade something because we've seen a few wins. I sort of kind of want to wait, maybe test it a little bit, and then look to trade it. Opinions on oil. Again, oil is just I just trade Nasdaq and gold. Keep it simple on two pairs. Is there a 10K account on Lucid? No, no, there isn't. 2 wins, Nancy, amazing, great work. Yo, how's it going? Do you only trade funded accounts? Yeah, I trade funded, and I do have a personal account that I do trade sometimes. Nothing crazy. Now there's a 25K Lucid. I mean, you can use that code JTC, and you will get the 50% off. So I mean, it is like $40-$50 anyway. I'm just gonna see how this 15 can close above. If this 15 doesn't close above, the next one does. I can buy then, because that'll be a 30 closure for buys. It's better going for 50K Lucids, only a few pound more. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, exactly. 50Ks is what I go for. I just link multiple 50Ks. Mm. Have you tried trading forex before? Yeah, of course I have, man. I used to trade forex before I traded futures. I started trading forex for like 3-4 years, and then I actually got profitable trading forex, and then I moved to futures after. The 50K Lucids are cheaper, really? All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Then the 25K and the 20. Yeah, yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Futures and forex different, just different contracts, mate. You got to get used to the different contracts. The candles basically form the same. So this is, if you look at this is the gold futures chart on the 30, and if we look at this here, this is the gold FX chart. Look at how similar they are. They're basically the same. They're basically the same. New 15-minute candle, yeah, but we're still within this range. Still within this range for now. I mean, let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's still within the range. Let me delete this trade that we took already. Did you see it? Yeah, I've seen that. Not something that I'm personally interested. To be honest with you, I don't care about all these challenges. I just want the bog standard 6% challenge to pass. I hate all these I just want 6% to pass and I'm funded. Like understanding so many different challenges just isn't the one for me. What is the best futures platform to trade on, mate? TradeC with Lucid. This is TradeC with Lucid. It is the best, by far the best thing I've used. By far. Like it's basically Project X. Still cool to not blow thousands of dollars, but only pay when you pass. Yeah, that's fair enough, man. That is fair enough. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, guys on YouTube, I appreciate the likes and the subscribers. Appreciate you guys. How do I feel about Take Profit Trader? Not bad, to be honest. They aren't bad. I've heard good things about them. I've never used them personally, but yeah. Everyone sort of talks about them, like good things, not bad. So yeah. Oh, really? Are they? Yeah, exactly. MDJ, I do. That's exactly what I do. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, if this 15 can break out, I'll take some buys for sure. 15 breakout buys are cool. How did? Yeah, guys. Yeah, welcome. If you got any questions, stick it in the chat. Du-du-du. Which gold chat am I using? But I can't find TradeC on TradingView. How do you connect it? MDJ, it's not. It's TradeC is a completely different thing, Matt. Go and watch my recent. Have you watched my YouTube video, bro? I literally made a YouTube video. Let me get it for you. Like you can literally, it's just a step by step of how to use it. I'll link it in here now. Like just follow this, watch the whole thing, follow this step by step, and you're good to go. There you go. I mean, if we can break out now, I'm gonna take some buys. Yeah, for sure. Da -da -da. Yeah, like I said, I need a breakout above. Can you explain the Lucid Flex rules? Is it, yeah, so it's 6% to pass once you've hit 6%. So you need 6% to pass. Once you've hit 6%, then you've got the account. Okay? Once you've got the account, you can start making payouts. Yo, Jasper, good to see you, Matt. How's it going? Mm-mm. So it all depends on what this 15 candle does, to be honest. If this 15 breaks above, I'll buy. If it rejects, I'll try and sell down into all that liquidity. So, I mean, potential buys above, potential sells on rejections. Your TikTok stream, yeah, it's back on now. It's back on now, bro. It might have done temporarily. I just put it back up. If you go back, it'll be on, mate. Can we get 2 more likes? Yeah, guys on YouTube, smash the like. We've got 60 people tuning in. Let's smash 20 likes today, at least 30. I'm sure we can do at least 30. At least. Hey Joe, is it easy for you to pass a 150k account? Yeah, I passed 5 50k accounts in like 2 to 3 days. Yo, Dre, how's it going? Is gold going down? Potentially. We need to see how we react from this level right now, mate. Yeah, 12:30, David. 12:30 it did. Yo, Simon, how's it going? How's it going, mates? Yeah, it all depends. All depends on this 15 closure, depending on what I'm going to do, because that's the 30 closure as well. That'll probably tell me which direction we're likely to push in. Because, you know, we've got 6 minutes. If we close above, we could take these highs out. If we reject the level, well, we're potentially going to come in down and take some lows. All right, that's the plan. What account do I recommend? With Lucid, the Flex account here. Use JTC with Lucid, you'll get 50% off. But I recommend the Flex account. Yeah, how's everyone's day been though, guys? Good. Also, guys, where's everyone tuning in from? Stick it in the comments. Where's everyone tuning and watching from? Yo, Anton, how's it going, man? Welcome. Did that last candle class as a breakout on gold? No, that's not a breakout, bro. That's within this range. A breakout would be here. Yo, Anton, welcome. We've got two Antons tuning in. Which gold chart am I using? The Awanda. Yeah, I'm using the Awanda. Ireland, Paraguay, Wales, Philippines. Oh, nice, nice guys. Yeah, if we can close bearish, I don't mind trying to take some sells off this level. That would be very similar to the trade we took here this morning. So the sells here very very similar to that. You've got some decent sells here that we took. Even if we can get a breakout, there's a few entries potential here, a few potential entries. So let's lock in and see if we can catch something. Let's lock in and see if we can catch something here. Yeah, cheers to the follows on TikTok, guys. I appreciate you. Cheers to the follows. So we've got 4 minutes until the 30 closure and the 15. So if we can close bearish here, I like these sells on gold. Yo, Colin, do I use fib? No, I don't. I've never really used fib. I think Fibonacci is a little bit useless. Yeah, if we can close bearish at this level, I really like sells on gold because look at all this liquidity. So much liquidity. And then obviously on Nasdaq, if we've got range to trade, I'm going to buy this. Yeah, Awanda, mate. I'm using the Awanda chart. Just passed my 10K valuation account. Beautiful. Good work, man. That's what we like to hear. How many? Did we crush 20? I'm sure we did. Yeah, 23. Amazing. Good work, guys. Let's see how the 15 candle closes here. And then let's see if I can potentially catch some half for sells. And if you do look at Nasdaq here. It'd be very, very similar. This win here, it'd be very, very similar to this. Okay. Any currency trades? Nah, I don't really trade currencies. Yeah, I never trade currencies, to be honest. Won't I check the news? Yeah, I always check the news, man. This, to be honest with you, I think because I think it's because I'm in a different country. It changed when I put VPN on, if that makes sense. So that's why it messed me up before on the news. That's the only thing I can think about because I'm sure it said half one. But yeah, let's see how the 15 closes, and then I can potentially take some trades here. Yeah, cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. Predicting a drop or rise on gold. A sell if we can close bearish, bro. Yeah, sell if we can close bearish. Not yet. Not yet. I need that. I need that closure. Market open be volatile, of course. Yeah, it always is, bro. It's always volatile. Let me try something here. Right, let me put this. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. We got the other chart back up, which is perfect. Did that close above just? That just closed above. Not super strong, but it did. It was an hour ago, mate. It was an hour ago. Silver playing out, half risk, is it? Let's have a look. Maybe we can take a little small risk on silver. The problem with silver here, the problem with silver is that price is literally at a level. So if I was going to buy silver, I would need a buy above here. I would need a closure and then a buy. Even though I know the 15 played, which is clean. If I'm going to buy it now, I'd need a closure back above here. That would be the best case scenario. Yeah, Nasdaq's just gone. You need to leave Nasdaq. I mean, we caught some sells on Nasdaq, which was fine. We need to let Nasdaq do its thing here, and then see if gold can break out now. So we've got silver and gold potential. I wouldn't mind a buy if we can break back above soon. It's just sort of staying patient for them entries. I mean, if you're not patient, you're not gonna be you're gonna struggle with trading. Put it that way. CPI, yeah, it was an hour ago, mate. Oh, like an hour ago. We're coming into market open now, so we've got a decent range here. We've got good liquidity to the downside, good liquidity to the upside. It's sort of about, okay, let's stay patient now, wait for the entry, and we can take some trades. Okay. Scaling plan with Lucid. I think it's just how much sort of, I don't know. I don't really look too much into it. Are you know about with Lucid? I think it's just how much you get every time you sort of get a payout. Mm-mm. NQ is it? Yeah, NQ's pushing. NQ is pushing. I would have bought if we had a bottom wick, but there were no bottom wick to buy. Joe sent you a DM on Insta. Sweet. I'll have a look at it. I'm flooded with DMs, but I'll have a look at it, bro. I will get back to you at some point. Yeah, cheers for the follows on TikTok, guys. I appreciate you. Gold's gonna go and take out them lows. I can just see it. All that liquidity. Mm-mm. What's my plan? I need a sort of a breakout, mate. Breakout, continue rejection, and then I can trade this. I mean, to be honest with you, with the way it's looking, Nasdaq could actually set up for a sell from this level. I might take a little half risk sell, or if we can break below an actual full risk sell. Guys on TikTok, I'm gonna end this here. So go and watch Joe Trades on YouTube. I'm gonna carry it on there. I'm live on YouTube, Joe Trades. Da-da-da-da-da. Is there anyone who passes their account first try? Of course, man. To be honest with you, I've got a 50% pass rate, but I got 5 lucid accounts, and I failed one of them, and I passed 5. So I failed one, passed 5. So that's like 9, is it like 80% pass rate maybe? I don't know, 10, failed one. Yeah, 80% pass rate with them 6 accounts. I passed 5. So it's like my average pass rate is probably like 50 to 60%. So if I take 10 challenges, I'll pass like 5 or 6 accounts. And that's just what I work it out at. Da-da-da. Mm-mm. Yeah, let's have a look at Nasdaq needs a little bit of time here. We need to give Nasdaq a little bit of time to for sure. To be honest with you, I don't mind. You are showing silver? Yeah, we were just looking at silver, breaking it down. Are you allowed to copy trade during the evaluation? Yeah, I copy traded. I copy trade my accounts. To be honest with you, I took one challenge and I failed it, and then I copy traded like 5 past them. So yeah, I only failed the one. I only failed the one account because I was sort of getting used to the trade C. I was up like 1500, and then I failed it. Just like getting used to it with like high risk. But then I took it seriously with good trades, and then I passed it. Is there a limit to how many accounts you can have with a prop firm? No, you can have 5 past accounts. 5 past accounts. But is there a limit to like evaluations? No. Nah, there's not. Yeah, welcome everyone. Good to see you all. Yo. Mm-mm. Yeah, if we can close bearish below here, I don't mind sells. I really don't. I think if this candle can close below here, sells could be nice. Yeah, I think if we can get a closure below here, sells are nice. Thank you. Yeah, all good, man. All good. We got 70 tuning in here. If we can get a thumbs up, I appreciate you all, guys. Mm-mm. Yeah, let's see how the candle can close below here. Let's see if we can get a closure below for sells down. We need a strong closure. Yes, we do. We need a strong closure to the downside, or even if we can break and close above, then all I'll do then is buy stops below the range and trade into that liquidity above. So if we can get a breakout above here, that's buys. If we can break and close below on this candle, then I can just take the sells down. So it's going to be looking something like this, depending on the closure, because we've kind of got that liquidity grab at either side now. We just need that closure to confirm the direction. That'll be clean. Mhm, mhm. Yeah, welcome everyone. Good to see you all. Tom, how's it going, mate? If you pass your eval and get funded, but then blow your funded again, do you have to go through? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you don't. You don't just go straight back on it. You just have to get another evaluation. So I sort of like buy them and like use them as a business expense. Because if I buy 10 challenges and pass 5, I've spent $400 or something to get the accounts. And then if I make like 10K on them, I've made like 9K. Do you know what I mean? That's what it's all about with these prop firms. You just got to sort of like got to buy them, use them as a business expense, and then make money. And then if you fail them, you fail them. So what? Like you just get another. Like who here's trading? Who here's trading funded accounts? Like put it in the in the chat. Funded account or personal? What you trading? Personal, Fez. Funded, nice. On a 50K account, is 2K payout hard? Nah, I would say 1.5 is fine. Like, to be honest with you, if I'm on a 50K account, for me to get like a 1.5, 2K payout on one account, it's quite easy. It is quite easy to make. You know, if you get a good strategy, making 5 to 10K is easy. 5 to 10K per month is easy. But it's just building consistency first. I mean, you got to build consistency. The main thing is people don't sort of put the work in first. You got to put the work in and then build consistency, and then the 5 to 10K months come. Yeah, look at Nasdaq. You're not wrong there, Dylan. Exactly, bro. That is literally trading. You're clueless. You put the work in. Okay, the work obviously will lead to a lot of failure, and then the money comes. Okay, the more you fail, the closer you are to being more consistent. Okay, so you work hard, you fail, you get consistent with time, and then that consistency, obviously, the money just comes. The money literally just comes. But you got to sort of be happy with sticking at it for a long enough time. Is Lucid one of the best? I think so right now, yeah. I think right now they are the best. Up there with the best. No, this is Trading View that I'm currently on. Trading View. Da-da-da. Yeah, this is looking pretty poor, to be honest. I think maybe London was where all the fun was today. Yeah, maybe the London session is where all the fun were. Beautiful London execution there. Beautiful. I mean, I still don't mind these sells if we can break below here. If we can break below this level, I'm definitely going to take some sells down. Maybe something like this. Get that closure below, I can take some sells. Yeah, Dan, it's because your trade sees futures, your MT5 or MT4. That's FX, and there is like 100-point difference. Can you explain Lucid? Lucid's just a prop firm. Go and have a look, man. Samson, you can search them up and go and have a look. Is there a trailing drawdown? Yeah, there is. End of day. End of day. So it is quite easy. I mean, you need 6%. All right, we've got a closure here. If we can get a top wick, I'm going to try and sell here. If we can get a top wick, we've got the liquidity that got taken here. If I can get a top wick, I'm gonna try and sell here. It will be low risk, yeah. I'll probably be trading like 2 micros on this. Maybe even 1. 1 sec. Yeah, let me get my trade see up. Oh, it just went. Literally just went. Bugger. Anybody managed to catch that? I was literally about to put my order in and it flipped without me. That's annoying. My trade see just wasn't showing. Super annoying. If you managed to catch it, fair enough. I mean, that was a quick one. I think it can still push down. You have taken these lows. You could see some reversal. But I think if we can re-break this low here, you're gonna continue down. Missed it. Yeah, me too. I missed it. Doesn't matter. I mean, if you caught it, it was a quick one. You've got a decent position here. Am I trading Euro USD? No, bro. You can see in the middle of my screen it's gold. I think if we can re-break these lows here on gold, that is going to be the push down that we need. If it rejects from here, I might try some buys because we have left we have taken some liquidity. This is the break even point. I would have been break even on that anyway. You know, we pushed 40 ticks, hit that first low. Came back for you. Nah, I'm not taking it now. I don't take missed trades. If the missed, the missed. Simple as that. If the missed, the missed. Put it this way, if you would have managed your trade already, you don't need to be in that position. So if you're asking yourself, am I late to this trade? Well, if you should have already managed that position, you're late. And this is the management here. So I think if we can re-break here, this is going to continue pushing down. Yeah, entry was clean. Entry was clean. Price action has been so choppy. Went break even quick. Yeah, I would have done too, Anton, bro. I mean, going break even's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with going break even at all here. If anything, it's a smart thing to do after taking these lows. But I think if we re-break this low, we are going to go and smash this liquidity. So yeah, that's the trade. That's the trade. Yeah, I mean, I think it flipped after like 45. I was literally about to place the order. Literally about to place it. I mean, you can't catch them all, mate. Can't catch them all. You really can't catch them all. Put a thumbs up, guys, if you caught it. I want to see how many people caught this. Put a thumbs up in the chat if you took the sells. I just want to get like a little. I want to see how many people got it. Oh, Anton caught it. Nice. Tom, Paul, Anton, beautiful. Been in since the open. Nice work, man. I mean, that is a quick like 47 ticks. I think there is more downside potentially too. Because we have got a lot of liquidity down there. So let's see if this can continue pushing down now with this momentum. Everything's looking good for this to continue down, look. Liquidity got taken, closure below the range, beautiful top wick to retest that level to push down. I mean, this is just like a textbook entry. Tap the inverse fair value. I don't trade inverse gaps, whatever they're called. Yeah, guys, drop a thumbs up, drop a like, drop a follow on the account as well, guys. If you're new to the TikTok, if you're new to the YouTube, subscribe. And if you're new to the TikTok, drop a follow. Mm-mm. Did the previous candle close strong enough? For sure it did. Yeah, that is a strong enough closure. Like if my range was like here, which doesn't make sense, then no. But that definitely did. TP, if I was in this trade still, final TP would be this low here. So I'd still be holding partials into that low. I mean, that is a 116 ticks. 116 tick trade. Yeah, this is just going to melt potentially. Let's have a look at what Nas is doing. Nasdaq 30 is rejecting this range here. I mean, look at how similar these trades are. Look, close bearish, rejecting the range. Close bearish, rejecting the range. Simple stuff, but it works so well. Looks like we're gonna go and smash them lows anyway. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Anybody still in, guys? Anybody still holding? Yeah, target would have been smashed there, man. Yeah, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Good work, guys. If you took it. Yeah, let me just put it there. Yeah, the mentorship is pinned in the link. I've just posted the mentorship link in the YouTube. Head over to the YouTube as well if you want. It's in there. Yeah, look at that for a trade. Beautiful entry there. Catching 70 ticks. Beautiful. Good work. Nah, mate. It was like 2 seconds too quick for me. You are the GOAT. I appreciate you, man. You too. Nice strategy. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, keep it very simple. Very simple strategy. Very simple analysis, and basically something that everybody can trade. I mean, I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to like recreate some sort of science here. Like, there's little things that you need to understand, of course, but we keep it simple, and I get results. I get results. Another win. Yeah, guys, good stuff, man. Hit TP on 2 macros. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, cheers for the follows on TikTok, guys. Make sure if you're new to the TikTok, follow up this account. This is my only TikTok account, guys. Yeah, if you want to join the mentorship if you're in the TikTok and you want to join the mentorship, the link is in the TikTok bio. Head over to the TikTok bio, press that link, and it'll say a mentorship application. You can go and apply there. For the guys on YouTube, it's just pinned at the top of the comments. Gold is flying. Yeah, gold's done. It's not gold isn't flying, bro. Gold's just having a pullback after a sell-off. Gold's just having a pullback after a sell-off. Same with Nasdaq. It needs a little bit more time now. You can see that we're creating some resistance here for a potential move after. We've just got support and resistance here. So there's a potential trade after. Look at that. I mean, who says levels and liquidity doesn't work? Somebody tell me levels and liquidity doesn't work. Can't be accurate with breakouts. Can't be accurate with liquidity. Give over. Look at this. Like every single day we show up 1 to 2 trades. Some days 100% win rate, some days 50, 60, whatever. Like, just show up, trade the plan. Mm-mm. From Belgium, nice. Good to see you, man. But yeah, guys, where's everyone? Guys on TikTok and YouTube. Where is everyone tuning in from? Europe, UK. I think most are UK, right? UK and US, I think. I think yeah, maybe stop loss hit. No, bro. TP got smashed. TP smashed, mate. That is a TP smashed with absolute precision. Look at that. That is precision. Nothing else. Nothing else. Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, yeah, maybe I can take some buys. Scotland, UK, Finland, nice. Miami, legend. Yeah, if we can close bullish, I might take some buys on the reversal. So if we can close bullish in a second, nice and strong, I might take a half risk buy here. Because we've just swept all that liquidity to the downside. This could be really nice for buys soon. Do you think it'll go up? Yes, I do. If we can close bullish, that is my next trade. Buys is my next trade if we can close bullish. Yeah, cheers for the follows, guys. I appreciate you. But let's see. Let's see if we can close strong bullish on this 15 and then I can look for some buys. Because I need that new candle to form so I can take the buys. And look at the hourly as well. Hourly rejection after sweeping liquidity. This could be really nice. These buys could be really nice. Obviously, first management would be around here. First management would be at that level, but we'll see. See if I can get a buy here. But if you caught the sells, I mean, that should be you done. I'm probably only going to risk like $250 here. Because like anybody buying gold too early with stop losses on these lows, well, they've just been taken out. They've just been liquidated. So maybe it's time for a continuation now. Maybe just like a little buy, low risk buy, 1 to 2 micros and let this run. Yeah, we are close to first management as well. First management like is that gray area. Yo, guys on YouTube, smashing the like. I appreciate you. 60. We've got 65 watching, 35 likes. I appreciate you all. Appreciate you guys. Am I trading yeah, I'm trading micros, bro. Micros. Yeah, we got 67 now. 67 watching. Yeah, let's see if we can catch these buys now. If we can bottom wick, I'm going to try and buy. Obviously, get a little bottom wick like so. And then a reflip bullish. And then I'm going to buy into all this liquidity. Am I trading gold? Yes. Gold and Nasdaq, mate. Yeah, I'm only going to use one micro because I've already taken a win today. So let me wait for that wick to form. Like I say, I'm going to give it like another 20, 30 seconds. And then I'm going to get a buy here. A buy order in. Probably risk like 50 to 60 ticks and then let this run. Yeah, let me I'm going to get this in a second when it allows me. One sec. Because micros is looking a little bit. See, micros is flipping now. That's quite strange. All right, there we go. I'm kind of in this. Yeah, I'm in this trade. Why is it not updating on my trading view? What is going on here? My trading view is not uploading. Updating. Wow, TP smashed. Wow, my TP just got smashed there. You're misleading people. Why? How am I misleading people? My charts literally froze. My chart, how can I be when my gold charts literally froze? Let me get up my trade see just to prove it to you. Lies, I'm out. Bro, what you on about? Right, one sec. Let me just prove these people wrong. I can't help my trading view chart freezing. Let me just prove these kids wrong. Let me just prove these kids wrong. One sec, where are we? Where's trade see? Right, there you go, guys. What's that? Is that an execution or not? Is that $280 there? Is that not an execution? What's that? Is that not the execution exactly? Be quiet. TP absolutely smashed. Yeah, I took that as well. Yeah, bro, that's so annoying. That's so annoying. Literally, as soon as we took the trade, guess what? Trading view decided not to work. But yeah, TP got smashed. Look at that. What is it doing? Yeah, I took. Yeah, who took that, guys? Let me. I'll have to use trade C then. Let me get my trade C up. TP smashed. Yeah, guys, put a W in the chat if you caught it. Beautiful. Let me get my trade C up here, guys, so you can see. Can't believe it. People actually think I'm here after like 2 years lying about entries. You're crazy. I'm not that sad. Come on. Yeah, that was the trade, guys. Beautiful half rush trade there. Long. We've made $280 times 5 accounts. So we've made over $1,000 today. I mean, that's the trade. Yeah, my trade of it's froze as well. Let me share this with you guys on YouTube. Sorry about that. Let me get it up. Where are we? Is it this one? No, it's not that. It will be trade C here. Right, there you go, guys. Can you see my execution now? I literally executed it and I was like, why is my if you heard me, I was super like confused. I was super confused because I was like, why is my chart on thingy not moving? I'm like, what is going on? Literally profitable just watching the streams. Yeah, exactly. They're busy looking for FVGs, exactly. Yeah, guys, that's the... Oh, it's moving. Here we go. There we go. It's moving. There's the execution. Beautiful. Yeah, W. Put W's in if you caught it, guys. Let's see if you caught this trade. I'm happy some of you got it, even though it was very, very tough to catch it. I mean, it's pushing now. Wasn't your TP higher? Yeah, my TP was here, but I was trying to sort the stream out, so it hit like $96, 96 tick TP, and I didn't have a chance to move it. It is what it is. Yeah, good stuff, guys. 2 trades, 2 wins for me. I've made over $1,200 today, so I'm done. That's literally me. One thing I want to leave you all with, guys, before I head off. Yeah, I would have had my TP on here, Reese, but the fact that I was trying to sort the stream out, I was trying to sort my trading view out, I was trying to execute the position all at the same time. It was like, what's going on? Sorry about that, guys. I apologize for the execution not being able to show it, but I was trying to do like 6 things at once. But yeah, you can see the entry here. I mean, we got executed in, let me show you. We got executed in here where that green box is, and we exited where this red box is. So yeah, decent little trade there. Great work, man. Yeah, all good, man. Good stuff. Good stuff for tuning in as well. Guys, before I get off here, guys on YouTube, make sure you go and watch the new YouTube video. Let me post it in the chat for you now. So, guys on YouTube, I'm gonna put the link in the chat right now. Tuning into the streams, yeah. Put notifications on, guys. Put notifications on. Go and watch the new YouTube video here. I've just posted it in the YouTube chat. All right. But other than that, guys, I'm out. We've crushed it today. We've crushed it. When's the next live? Tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, make sure you're following though. Make sure you're following. Do you have a vid on your strategy? No, Josh, that's in the mentorship. I'll put the mentorship application in as well. If you want to apply for the mentorship, it's here. Like I said, I teach my full strategy in the mentorship. That's there, man. It's basically one-on-one mentorship with me. Go and apply and we'll be in touch with you, okay? But yeah, guys, peace out. Much love. See you tomorrow. Beautiful stream. WWW. Let's go. Appreciate it. Yeah, all good, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.